everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, Raktim.
Good morning.
Okay, so how are you doing, guys? Doing
Great.
good?
Yes.
Great. Absolutely perfect. So today we are gonna discuss a very interesting topic, and topic is customer service. That is very much important these days.
Yes.
Yes, Asta?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me one thing, Taksh. You have one bottle, right?
Yeah.
So what would you do if you find something in your water bottle? What would you do? Anything. Like you find some rubber in this thing. What would you do?
This is a quality issue, so I can complain and I will do it
And you complain to whom?
to the customer service.
Customer
officer, we
service,
can say.
right? So can you see the bottom of the bottle? You will find one number. Can you read it for us? Slip.
Okay,
If you find it, slip.
017290026.
Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So this is the number where you need to call and launch the complaint or anything, right?
Right.
And someone will pick up your call.
Yeah.
Right. So this is we are gonna today learn ki if you call someone, what would you do, right? In a complaint manner. So first thing I would tell you what is you all of you know about the call center.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So Asta, tell me what do you understand about the call center?
Call center, I would say, is a center wherein the major companies, the
Mhm.
brands, do give out their customer services
Okay.
department to the third party to manage it. Like it's the people, the customer who would be giving the calls to the brand would be directly landed to the customer care department, which would be with the call center.
Great. Absolutely great. So it can be through calls or it can be through mails,
Emails,
right?
yes.
Right, Taksh? Right, Sanjeev? Perfect. So call center, basically call center is a place where we are making call to the customer or we are getting calls from the customer for regarding their queries, complaint or anything. Right, Sanjeev? So today's topic is if you'll get the call from the customer, what would you do? Right? Clear? So Taksh, if you'll find something in your water bottle, what would you do first? You call to the number and what would be your first reaction?
I will make a complaint.
You'll make a complaint. How?
I'll call this number.
Okay. So can we play a small role play? Like you are the customer and you find something in your bottle and Astha is one of the executive who is picking up your call.
Okay.
So Taksh, so Taksh, you are the customer.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
I'm
call.
calling. Hi,
Yeah.
I'm calling from Faridabad and I have purchased a bottle of water and it found something in water. So that is a big quality issue.
Okay.
So now you can.
Sir, I will be taking your request. Can I have your phone number in that case?
Yeah, this is my number.
Okay.
And when I'll get the response
Can
from
you
your
just,
side.
what have you got in your bottle, sir?
Right, some rubber is inside the bottle.
Will it be feasible for you to send us the picture on the email ID
Yeah,
of
I
our
can.
customer
Yeah,
care
I
so
can,
that
I
we
can.
can just let the outlet people know and we can forward your complaint about it and we'll give you a call back
But
telling you
I
what needs to
never
be done
expected.
next.
I never expected
And you
that
apologize?
Bisleri company do that.
Yes, we do
So
that.
this is a big.
Okay.
So this is the biggest quality.
So fine. Thank you, Taksh. Thank you, Astha.
Okay.
2 minutes gay.
So thank you, Taksh. So what is Taksh's reaction? He is not happy with the Bisleri,
Yes, he is
and
not happy.
I don't think so. He'll again use this Bisleri as
Might
a
be
brand,
possible,
as a product.
I have a statement. Might be possible he would be able to use it if he would have get a better customer service.
Better
from our
customer
side.
service
But
or-
I was not aware what I have to speak to him. That was
Right.
the reason the conversation went
Absolutely.
in the wrong way.
So we have to, yeah. So this is the agenda for us. We have to learn if someone is calling to you and complaining about your product, so how to deal with that kind of customer. What all you need to follow, what all you do need to do on the call. Right, Raktim? Okay, great. Because that is most important thing today's days. If someone is calling you and complaining regarding the product, and if you're not providing this right service, what would happen? The customer will leave you the brand or product, right? And he'll say other people also don't use this bottle and everything, right? So we need to follow first thing, what all we first off, we don't need to follow first call disconnection. Mostly in customer service, what would we get? Customer call up you and start shouting on you. So what was the first reaction of the agent? Agent go ahead and disconnect the call. I guess बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है, right? संजय जी, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है? आपने customer service में call किया और someone disconnected your call without listening to you?
अभी recording होता है proper तो disconnect नहीं करते call.
Okay.
हो
If for example I am telling you Taksh, in our industry we are getting 10% call disconnection, forcefully disconnection today's day, right? So call disconnection is very much there, जो हमें नहीं करना होता. Right? Second is rudeness. That is something which is very important for a customer service. You can't be rude with the customer. And third is the again which comes under JTP, that is abusive. You can't use abusive language to the customer. Asta,
Yeah.
have you ever did it?
No.
No? Okay.
I was a victim, however.
And now we need to understand what all we need to do, right? So first thing, always take call with a smile. Smile is not like you're laughing on the call. That is, smile comes from your heart. Like you are there to help to the customer, right? Second is polite. Always polite the customer, right? And third is problem solver.
Time's up.